Hi, I'm Megan, and I'm going to show you how to release your traps with your tune-up balls. So we're going to take them out of the tote, and I'll show you where we're moving. Aiming to place the balls in this space here. So my spine is here, shoulder blades over here. I want to come in between the two, right at the top of my back. So, coming to sit close up against a wall, lean forward slightly. Kind of roll those guys in place. Yeah, and then when it feels about even side to side, start to let the body settle. Tuck the pelvis under slightly. Let your body weight sink back. Tuck your chin in, pushing that back crown of the head up and towards the wall. Maybe you can reach it. And just letting the body weight go back. Letting the breath deepen into not just the rib cage, but down into the belly as well. And even just noticing those subtle movements for me as I inhale, there's just a slight change in the pressure for those balls. And let's bring our arms all the way wide to the side. If you're short on space, you can bend at the elbow and have cactus hands. That works too. And then in slow motion, take a nice big breath in, reach the arms up, let your arms take the whole inhale to get there, really slow. And as you exhale, arms open wide, coming back out 90 degrees. Keep going, see how the pressure feels. If it feels like it's too intense, you're going to reduce your lean, coming forward a little bit. You also always have the option to drop one ball and just work one side of the shoulder at a time. And next time your arms are out in front of you, take a nice deep bend at the elbows. Fingers can interlock, reaching for the back of your head. And slowly squeeze those elbows in front of you like you're trying to squish your face. Chin tucks in, push your mid back into the balls, into the wall, rolling forward, and slowly lifting back up. Elbows start to open all the way wide, squeeze the shoulders together, keep leaning back to a comfortable depth. And slowly we come forward again. The elbows start to squeeze in towards the sides of the face first. Chin tucks in, push the back body in towards the wall to a comfortable depth as you let the front of the body curl forward, curling together. Opening back up. Coming long along the spine first, crawling back up to nice and tall, and then slowly bending backwards a little into extension and opening those elbows nice and wide, let the chest open. One more. Elbows curl forward. Try to keep the torso still. Chin tucks in, let yourself curl forward. Coming up nice and slow with control, a little slower than you want to. When your spine is in neutral, elbows open wide. Releasing your hands from the back of your head, slowly start to pull your elbows in towards your rib cage, letting the hands drop. Chin tucks in neutral. And then reaching back up. Depending how tight your arms are, you might be able to reach behind you and rest on the wall. That is not accessible for me, so I hover where I can in a pain-free range in a way that allows me to continue moving. Now we're just going to do a few of these little snow angel movements, stripping out the traps. You might find a spot, like for me right here, is a bit tense. I'm just going to hang out and breathe, or you might keep moving. See what you need with the feedback you are getting. Eventually coming to let your hands just rest in front of you, in your lap, or beside you. Tucking your chin, peeling yourself away from the wall. I'm going to reach behind me and catch these little guys. And then just taking a moment to come to sit fully on the wall without the tune-up balls, but allowing my back body to be supported, to feel my head on the wall. And just noticing how it feels through the back body. Taking a moment, thanking you for sharing your practice with me, and I hope we get to move together soon.